Good morning, good morning, good morning, you lovely lot. Babies need feeding. Kenzie's going to go off and do the sheep. I've got a headache, so I need to take some tablets. I need to take the goats out, feed them. Kenzie's doing the sheep, and then we're all going off to the country show. So have a nice meander around. Brendan's coming, so see Brendan. And I need to drop Easter eggs off with my family as well. This is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter. I think I've put too much water in there. Anyway, I'm going to go feed babies. Come on then. Did you get yourself caught in there? How did you get yourself in there? Come on, you menace. Gloria, you're the wrong side of the door. Right, come on, babies. Good morning, Gloria. All gone. Some big jump in there, Ludo. That's not for you, I'm afraid. Not for you. You alright, crew?
Hello.
Ready for our day out?
Yeah.
Yay!
Sunshine.
Oh no, it's beautiful. Look at that blue sky. It's a bit fuzzy out there, but we're not complaining. It's very warm. I'm already hot in my top. So, could have done with my summer trousers, but I forgot to get them out of the loft. So I'm still in winter gear. Are you going in? That way. Oh, this way. We've arrived at the show, and the first thing we are seeing is the country, typical country activity of gun dogs rounding up dead Christmas trees, as you can see, or something like that.
It's stupid how after country.
I love that. The boats around the lighthouse. That is so cool. I bet that's quite expensive. Oh, £72. That's not bad. That's really nice. Oh, I might have to have one of them.
I'm watching it trying to catch it.
They're the hamsters, they turn around and try and take the snake on.
Yeah, I probably went, got most like his own up once.
Oh,
Very good.
Hey! Puppies? Hi! Hello! What are these Clumber Spaniels?
Yeah.
Clumber? I've never heard of them before. They're lovely.
Yeah, we have a Cocker Spaniel.
Have you?
Yeah, she's 6.
Oh.
You enjoying that?
They are, yeah. They like the attention.
Oh yeah.
They like being amongst people.
Oh, look at you. Good girl. I am a sucker for those curls.
Following that, we have number 11. Over on, ladies and gentlemen, and here we go. We want some loud cheering. Loud cheering for you guys for your favourite. 22. Followed by Tiffany in number 1.
Woohoo!
Can hear us. Here we go then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great chance to bid on and hope for the win. A unique carving by one of these top chainsaw carvers in the country.
You've always wanted to win one on the auction, haven't you?
150.
150, he's lovely.
Oh, a wizard.
I got a wizard.
That was my last bid as well.
It was it? That was as high as you were going to go?
But it wasn't paid the entire time.
Oh.
It reached 100. It was like,
I'll go a bit more.
it was pretty much like my last bid.
Oh, so you've been having fun, spending money.
wizard.
You'd have got a wizard.
I got.
What's he called?
I don't know, Garrel.
Garrel?
I don't know, Gandalf's brother.
Gandalf's brother.
No,
He
that was
smells nice.
No, wait, no. Yeah, no. Radovid, no.
You'll have to name him. Oh, what, up there? Oh, that. Oh, yeah, that is lovely.
Mountains in our furtherland area. Beeswax. Tap the two surfaces together. I think I've got my hands near the heat. To be honest, I'm just like banging the card and the iron together. There's like this grass area. And we'll mix some water in our little place. Pull the wax away inside the iron. Just some bobs. Done. Click subscribe when you go on it.
Is there any movement?
Yep.
It's around the other side, isn't it? Do you want to swivel it round a little bit, please? That's it, around that side it's got movement.
Yep.
Yeah.
Moving quite a bit.
Yeah. So what day is this? No. The eye is usually the darkest bit. Yeah, I'd say that's the eye.
Try the other one then.
Oh, stay there. Yeah, there's movement in there.
What?
Yeah. Ooh! I've actually remembered to do a good night on this video, which I haven't done, I don't think, for the last few. I want to apologise for my appalling uploads over this Easter weekend. I got behind because I was poorly and feeling so rubbish, and then by the time I had finished the vlog that needed to go up, I then didn't have time that night to do another vlog for the next day. And then it was Easter holidays and we've had friends down, and so it's just ended up me falling behind because I am doing the vlog on the night, which I always used to do, which is why I never got the videos up for 6 o'clock. But tomorrow being Easter Monday, I really plan on not getting out of bed until I've actually sat with a cup of tea and got the video scheduled ready for Monday night. So yes, I'm sorry about that. You've all been very gracious about the whole thing. As you can see, I am feeling so much better. Still feel a bit throaty, still feel a little bit congested, but it's, yeah, feeling so much better. And I don't know if you can tell, look at this rosy cheeks. We've caught the sun. We were out at a country show today, which was fantastic. I mean, it is very countrified. It is kind of country sports and that kind of stuff. And those that know me know I'm not into hunting. But that aside, they have things like ferret shows. They do have gun dog shows, but obviously with the dummies and what have you, they have a lot of horse racing, as in like pony racing and trap racing, and lots of lovely stalls, craft tents, food tents. Spent a small fortune, mainly on food, because the prices of food in those places is extortionate. But I did get to spend the day with my lovely Brendan. Tracy and Lee were with us as well. Miley stayed at home, and Kenzie spent the day with us as well. And it was really lovely because Brendan and Kenzie do get on so well. So, and that always makes me smile, seeing them doing things together. And they went off and spent time doing what they wanted to do. And Brendan won a carving in an auction from the Speed Chainsaw carvers. So if you want to see that, that video will be going up. I'm going to do a separate video as well, just on the chainsaw speed carving, because I think that might be a bit of evergreen content that people might be really interested in without wanting to see the whole show or the vlog. Anyway, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, you lovely lot. Please continue with your wonderful comments and I will continue to reply to them, and I'll see you all tomorrow.